Hi everyone, Bill Casey here at Lotz Logistics. I'm outside of our corporate headquarters here at 1530 Titanium Drive in Ottawa, Illinois. I thought I would give you a tour of our corporate facility as well as the warehousing that's attached here, and you'll be seeing a new warehouse that we have we have plenty of space available for. We also have warehouses at Chessie Lane and First Avenue in Ottawa. As well, we have warehousing down at Roberts, Illinois, that is rail direct on the CN, as well as it has a silo on site for any bulk products that you want to bag or package. We have that capacity, as well as anything that needs to go on rail out of there. And then we also have Belvedere, Illinois, that has rail served direct by the UP, and it has dry storage and it has capacity for repackaging as well. So let me take you inside, and I'll take you for a look at our facility here. And at the link on this video, you'll be seeing contact information for both Lotz Logistics and Quality Distribution Services. So let's go on inside. As we approach here, we're going to go inside of the main lobby area, and you're going to see our wellness center inside of our lobby. And we'll do just a pan around of our lobby, and you can see the exercise equipment as well as places to relax or to meet with customers. And part of our wellness program is we encourage the employees to utilize this equipment because logistics can be quite stressful, as well as with the overall well-being. Need a place to blow steam off, and then there's our accounting office, which does a great job for us here. Those folks are always on top of their game. And as we go down the hall here, we'll go off to the left and we'll go in our conference room. And we're pretty proud of this room where we can have Zoom or Teams meetings here, whether it be with customers or we have a hybrid program with the employees that we can also have meetings with them in here or host customers. And then as we continue down the hallway here, I'll show you some more locations. Off to our left here behind these doors is Quality Distribution Services offices for drivers to check in and check out. That's the shipping office. And then as we go down the hallway here and we pan off to our right, you're going to see our kitchen area where we encourage our employees to utilize this area to get away from their desk to have a break or eat lunch. And if the bullpen gets too loud, which we all know that can happen, dealing with customers' needs, is that it's a place where an employee can go to have a call with a customer in privacy, just shut the doors, and it gets pretty quiet in there. So coming through this door here, I'm showing you the bullpen, as we call it, and this is where all of our national account managers operate and call on you customers, as well as handle all of your needs. We have a logo up there. It's called Supply Chains with Integrity. One of our things that we've been through since the beginning, and it's early here, so there's not many people here yet. They're still working from where they're going before they come into the office to make sure customers' needs are met 24/7. And here we are. Here we're going to go through this main door into the warehouse where Quality Distribution Services has a lot of their product and their storage space for customers and packaging. See there. Nice big space. We have plenty of space here, and I'll be showing you, as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you some new space as well. So let's continue on with this through the warehouse, and you're going to see the capacities that are here. Always have room for more. As I said before, Quality Distribution Services, they do repackaging as well. We have this space for Lotz Logistics to do repackaging, and Quality Distribution sells sand to customers. Here's our main two docks for van going in and out. And then we spin around here. This is what we call our repackaging room for pallets. There's our pallet machine with shrink wrap. And then when we come through this area here, you're going to see more capacity. As it continues on and on and on, we have quite the space here at Titanium Drive. As well, there's another space beyond those walls. And outside, I'll show you all the different bays that we have here. As we continue on, I'll show you the final room before we go outside, and I show you the bay doors. But as you can see, once again, that's our pallet machine to repackage for customers. And as we go off to the left here, we're going into the another room that has plenty of storage that Quality Distribution currently uses for their sand customers. There's always room for more at the end, as they say. And we'll continue on with our tour here. And I'm going to take you outside of this door. This is the door that drivers go in and out of. And also, this is where we go in and out of most of the time for loading flatbeds outside. So let's go outside and let's have a look at this. All right, here we are outside. And I just wanted to show you, all that's our land there. So there's room for growth here. When I spin around, I can show you that there's plenty of room for growth on our property. And as I spin back around here, I'm going to show you all of our doors. As you can see, that's bay 7. And then we have 6 and 5 that are, and 4, those are our main docks for the flatbeds. I mean for the vans. And then we have 3 and 2 down there. So let's continue on, and I'm going to take you over here now, and I'm going to show you our newest facility that has been built. And we definitely have room in this, so if you're a customer that only needs a small amount of space, or they need the whole thing, we can accommodate you. And so, as you can see, as I'm walking along here, this is our drive where drivers go come in, and there's that building there. That's the new warehouse, and that's where we're going to go into now. So let's continue on from there. All right, so as we get closer to here, I just am trying to pan here, and you go on to the side of this warehouse. There's also still some room for growth there as well. One of the nice things about this location is that it's an industrial park, but we definitely have plenty of room for growth. So let's go on in here into our newest warehouse. Like I said, at the end of this video, there will be a place for you to contact us if you have any sand needs or you have any storage needs. All right, continuing on, everybody. This is our newest warehouse. As you can see, we've got a little bit of storage going on here, but there is plenty of storage here. And you see through that door, which we're going to go through here in a moment, that we can separate 2 different customers if need be, or if you need the whole warehouse, we can do that as well. There's plenty of space. And we have all state-of-the-art lighting system in here and everything, and it's dry, climate controlled. As we go through this door, this is the other half of the warehouse. And you can see here where we have the door there. If you want to keep your commodity separated, we can go in and out of this door. And as you can see, still empty. We're definitely open for business here. So this is our newest warehouse, and we have plenty of space here. So if you want to have a on-site tour, just reach out to us. I'll provide all of that information here in just a moment at the end of this video. And I'll take you outside and we'll continue on from there. So as we end our tour here, I'm just going to give you a pan view of the outside of our property. As you can see, we have plenty of room for growth as well. Just remember, Lotz Logistics and Quality Distribution Services can provide all of your needs, whether it's purchasing sand, warehousing, transportation, both bulk, intermodal, drayage, over the road, van, flatbed, oversize. Give us a call. I'll be providing the information at the end of this video, but once again, Bill Casey here at 1530 Titanium Drive, Ottawa, Illinois. Have a great day.